Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to learn a new Spanish word. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Also visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. A big shout out to our member on this channel. Thank you so much for your support. And if you want to get a membership on this channel and get awesome perks, just check out the memberships by clicking on the join button down below. You can also visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Okay, let's get started. The word of the day is cierto, cierto. This is an adjective, a Spanish adjective, and it means true, certain, and some. The main meaning of this word is cierto, is the most common meaning. But cierto in some situations can mean certain and some. Okay, cierto is masculine, but also you can say cierta, cierta. Okay, and that is feminine. The plural form is ciertos and ciertas. That's the plural form, ciertos, ciertas. Okay? In some situations, you will have to use a plural form of cierto. Okay. Now, let's see a few examples using this word. ¿Es cierto que mañana te vas? ¿Es cierto que mañana te vas? This means, is it true that you leave tomorrow? Cierto in this situation means true. ¿Es cierto? Is it true que mañana te vas? That you leave tomorrow? This is a very common phrase. ¿Es cierto? Is it true? ¿Es cierto? So you can use it a lot in Spanish. But yeah, in this situation, cierto means true. Let's see another example. Ciertas personas no llegaron al evento. Ciertas personas no llegaron al evento. This means certain people didn't make it to the event. Ciertas means certain in this situation. And you can see that it is a plural form as well. So, ciertas, certain, personas, people. Ciertas is a feminine form of cierto, and that's because we are using personas. Ciertas personas. Personas is feminine, or persona is feminine, and we can see that this is also plural. So that's why we're saying ciertas personas. We have a plural adjective because we have a plural noun. Okay? Now, let's see one more example. Me he sentido triste en ciertos momentos. Me he sentido triste en ciertos momentos. This means I felt sad in some moments. Ciertos, right here, means some. So, yep. We can see that it is also plural because we have a plural noun here. Momentos. Momentos. And also, momentos is masculine. That's why we're not using ciertas. We are using ciertos. Ciertos momentos. Plural noun, plural adjective. Okay? Some ciertos. Okay, well, that's all for today. I think it's quite clear how to use cierto, but leave more examples down below using this word. I always love reading your comments, so please leave more examples or any comment, any question related to this Spanish word. Okay, cierto means true, certain, and some. The most common meaning is true. You can even say cierto by itself. If someone is telling you something and you agree with the person, you can say cierto, tienes razón. That means true, you're right. Cierto, tienes razón. True, you're right. Okay, so that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Check out the memberships on this channel. There are different perks when getting one. Also, you can donate directly to this channel. You only need to go to smlessons.com and click on donate. And also, I'm leaving a link to that in the video description down below. Another way to support this channel is by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and for all your support. I'll see you next time. Bye.